Hello from Gardening at Dwensa here in Ireland. Yes, here in Ireland again, back from Dresden and Prague. And there was a little something I forgot to do before I went away, and that was to give you an update on my Dimorphorchis. So here we go. Okay, so I've been repotting orchids I got in Dresden, but we're not going to talk about that now. What we're going to talk about is this fantastic, really rare orchid that John Greco in Barcelona was kind enough to give me a year ago. And I wonder, can you see it there? We'll just go in here. And here it is. Now this is a little baby. Doesn't look very impressive yet, but if I tell you that this is an extremely rare orchid that has both male and female flowers on the plant, two different types of flowers when it eventually blooms, and that it's in the Vanda family, then you're going to be impressed for sure. It's a baby, of course, so it'll take a long time for it to get big enough to actually flower. But, well, I've got patience and I'm going to give it a go. Now, since I got this last year, what I can say is that it doesn't seem to have grown a lot, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6th leaf in there just coming now. And in fact, when I got it, it has 6 leaves. So what's happened is I've lost some of the lower leaves. So you would think I haven't made any progress in a year, but what I can say is that the roots are growing well. I had to repot it at one stage because the roots were coming out the bottom of the pot, and there they are. It's just been watered now, so the roots are nice and green. Anyway, I just want to say once again an enormous, great big thank you to John Greco for sending me this plant. Now, he sent it to me at a time when I was going through a lot emotionally, and it was a lovely gesture that came out of the blue. And I don't want to really link back to the video when I got this plant, because it was a very tough time and I don't really like looking at those videos anymore, but it was a wonderful, wonderful gesture on John's part, and the wonderful card he sent me with the peacock on it really made a big difference. And you know, I don't think I'm doing too badly with it at all. If we look carefully, the new leaf is much bigger than the other ones, so that's a positive thing. Okay, so the video that I uploaded last year showing the unboxing of this was the 24th of March. It's the, what is it today? Well, don't know what it is today. It's round about there anyway, it's March. So that's my update on Dimorphorchis. And at the end of this video, I'm going to link to John Greco's update on his plant, Roger Frampton's update on his plant, and Danny's update on her plant when she uploads her video. So there are 4 of us in 4 different places in the world growing this plant from pretty much the same starting point. Me in Ireland, Roger in the UK, Danny in Cyprus, and John himself in Barcelona. So, well, I guess come back next year and see what's new. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and that's all for now. Bye.